Hey, what's up, everybody? Let's talk about our Freedom Accelerator white label bootcamp, what it is and what it's not. You've probably seen ads for conferences or seminars with motivational speakers or influencers like Grant Cardone talking about his jet, or celebrities like Dwayne Johnson or Floyd Mayweather talking about real estate. This is none of that. There are no motivational speakers, no inspirational stories, no celebrity influencers. This boot camp has one simple purpose. You walk in with just your laptop, and by the end of the day, you leave with your own AI software business. That's it. You arrive in the morning without any AI software to sell, and by the time you leave, you will have your own branded, customized AI product ready to offer to your customers that very night. It's a hands-on, action-packed program designed to deliver real results. What it's not you sitting around watching speakers. You'll have your laptops open, working in small groups with instructors walking table to table, guiding you through every single step. A lot of you may not know about DRG Tech's white label programs, AI applications designed for different business needs, and we're constantly adding new ones. You'll have access to all of these and can white label some or all of them, depending on your goals. These apps will be customized and branded with your own name, logo, and even preloaded ads and creatives based on the niche you're targeting. We'll show you how to build your own customer base and even launch your own community and academy alongside your custom AI software. That's just the first part of the day. Once your product is ready, we teach you how to sell it. We'll help you generate a logo if you don't have one, customize your landing page, and set up your payment processor right there. By the end of the day, you'll have a complete sales page and product ready to go. And yes, our instructors will be right there, looking over your shoulder, making sure everything is connected. By the time you leave, your product will be live, your sales page ready, and you'll be set to start selling immediately. No need for fancy talk, just the right tools, training, and guidance to get your business launched by the end of the day. Whether you have no technical background, marketing experience, or even a logo, we've got you covered. Think of it like a Navy SEAL Hell Week packed into one intense day, but instead of push-ups, you're building an entire business. So get a good night's sleep, come in fresh, and be ready to work. You'll leave with your AI business up and running. Read the rest of the info on this page, and I'll see you inside. Until next time, stay rooted, stay ready.